Okay, just going to do a quick unboxing here. This is from VQ Models. It's actually from Legend Hobby, and it is their 60 size Hurricane. So I just already kind of cut it open here, and I have actually not opened it other than just to kind of look. Oh, looks like we got some. Oh, cool! A big bird fly-in somewhere. What is this? And they sent me a pop socket? That's pretty freaking cool. Alright. Some cool little goodies they sent here. This must be some sort of a towel or something. So here it is, 60 size Hurricane. This one's been out for a little bit, but this is actually the Battle of Britain colors. So we'll take a look here. I'm thinking about actually putting a DLE size 20 size motor type of motor in this one. It can take up to a 120 4-stroke. So all right, very nice. So let me just spin it around here. Got some instructions. Decals. So I'll have to see which livery these are. Maybe I can change them out. Looks like we got fuel tank, cowl. We'll have to see how the 20cc fits in there. Plastic pack here. Okay, let's take a look here. This is the pack with the fuel tank. It's got a nice big plastic spinner of the accessory pack, wheels. It's got fixed landing gear, which actually I am almost thinking, I have some retracts, and I'll see if this is the correct size. I may be able to just actually cut this and use this gear with the retract stuff that I have, because it'd be the right length. We'll have to experiment with that. Here's the cowl. Looks like the, oh, that's really nice. So the exhaust stack is actually not molded in. It's actually a separate piece that's glued in from the inside, so it looks definitely more realistic. So I don't know if the 20cc, how that'll fit in there. We'll have to see. Might have to do some cutting. Nice fiberglass. Here are all the intakes and radiator scoops and stuff. This is all plastic. The rudder. Nice. So they have regular flat plastic hinges. So I like to compare this actually to some of the Hanger 9 stuff. I really like the Hanger 9 stuff, and I actually have a P47 Hanger 9, and they actually put the little CA hinges in there, which I don't like, especially if you're going to use gasoline. And I'm going to convert all those to the plastic, so I probably won't have to do it with these. These are pretty nice hinges, it looks like. The covering, see, look at the stab here. Wow, the covering is really nice. It has the panel lines done really, and it's just really lightly put in, so you don't really notice until you get close. So this will be really nice for, it's solid too, wow. This will be really nice to do some weathering with an airbrush, do some detailing on that, so that would be super nice. And it was actually packaged really nicely in here. It was all taped up, so I could cut that out, so you don't have to watch me cut tape out. Take the fuse out. Oh, I can't believe people are putting 20cc in this thing. I don't know, it may be too much for it. Very cool. The pilot looks pretty good. Wow, that's the best pilot from these ARFs I've seen in a while. Huh, not bad. got a hatch, magnetic hatch. That's nice. The wood looks, there's a crack right there. Looks pretty decent quality. It reminds me of the Hanger 9 stuff. I mean, I'm going to go in, of course, and CA all these joints and stuff, which I try and do in all these ARFs. This is plastic. Not too bad. Yeah. I guess I could do it electric too. Wow. Very nice. Okay, I've already started kind of opening up the wing here. It's nice. It's got an opening already set up so I could put the light in there. I think it'll have a sticker across here or the front for the gun ports. One thing I didn't realize, you always see this kind of a red on models of Hurricanes and Spitfires. You have to see this little red mark where the guns were, but apparently on the original they would actually cover that up with the actual airplane. After the gun was, before the airplane took off, they put like this covering over the guns, and then when they came back they knew it was fired because the covering would be torn where the bullet went through. So I didn't know that. That's that little red line or yellow line. The smell of China. Take her out here. I'm so used to my bigger Hurricane because the thing looks tiny. So you can kind of hopefully get a good look at the panel line detail. Very nice. And it is completely sheeted. Wow. It's got some lightning holes towards the end here, tiny ones. See if the bottom is sheeted too. There's some open area right here and here, but then the leading edge is sheeted. The hinges are all glued in, and there's like a lightning holes through here. Wow, very nice. And they all have nice plastic hinges. And let's see, here's the flap detail. Oh, very nice. Wow, that's cool. It seems relatively sturdy. That's pretty good. It doesn't seem like it's going to fall apart in my hands. And here's the center section. Oh, look at that. Already the landing gear area, the plastic's already mounted, and the wheel wells are inside. It's already painted, so I don't have to do that. That is very nice. Huh. Wow, I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with this. And this was on sale. I guess they're not, Legend is not selling these anymore, VQs anymore, so these were on sale for like 200 bucks. So that is a good deal. This is all solid. Sheeted. And the bottom, it's some open areas here and there. Yeah, right here. But I think the scoop goes right here too, so we'll have to glue that in. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm very happy with that.